What's up, guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to get started on Ether Ocean, the ocean of Ethereum. So on this platform you'll be able to accumulate Ethereum, so you can accumulate as many ETH as possible. So this is really a mind-blowing opportunity. So if you missed out Bitcoin when it was around $1,000 plus, don't miss out Ethereum now that is $1,000 plus. So Ethereum has the potential to get to $5,000, $10,000, even it has the potential to get to $20,000. Okay, so now is the best time to start accumulating. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step guide. Okay, as you can see right here on the screen, magic begins with one step. Okay, so and the first step to get started is for you to get a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, SafePal Wallet, or BitGet Wallet. So go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Trust Wallet. Okay, in this video tutorial I'm gonna be using Trust Wallet. Okay, even though you can use MetaMask, you can use Token Pocket. All right, so but I prefer Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my Trust Wallet. I'm going to open it right now. Okay, so I already have a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, once you download the Trust Wallet and you open it, the next thing you have to do is to create a new wallet. And when you create a new wallet, you have to make sure you back up your seed phrase, your 12 words. This is very, very important. So those 12 words, keep it safe. Okay, keep it like your life depends on it. Okay, because it is essential. It is your crypto. All right, so if you already have a decentralized wallet, maybe on MetaMask or on BitGet, you can copy your 12 words, your seed phrase, and import it. So once you open the Trust Wallet app, click on I already have a wallet, then you import using your seed phrase or 12 words. All right, so once that is done, the next step is to uh, click on manage crypto. All right, so and search for OPPA. So once you search for OP, you're gonna see ETH OP mainnet. So make sure you enable it. All right, this is right here, optimistic. All right, this is here, optimistic. So once that is done, the next thing is for you to fund your OP. Okay, your ETHOP. All right, so this Ether Ocean platform is actually built on the OP blockchain. And why is that? Because the network fee there is cheaper. Okay, it's very, very cheap. All right, so OP is actually a layer 2 scaling solution blockchain. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. This is right here, optimism or whatever. So you can read more about it here. All right, so you can see more details about OP here. All right, so now how do we fund our Trust Wallet with the ETH optimistic? You have to click on receive, okay, and copy your optimistic address. Okay, your wallet address, it's going to start with 0. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to MEXC Global Exchange. All right, MEXC Global Exchange. So you can actually get this OP on other exchanges, but I found out that MEXC Global Exchange network fee is cheaper, and also the minimum withdrawal here is very low compared to other platforms. Okay, so other platform, if you don't have up to $7 worth of ETH optimistic, you won't be able to withdraw. So basically, what you can do is, if you have other coins like your Binance, your Arbitrum, you can just deposit it on MEXC Global. Okay, then you swap it to USDT. Okay, so once you swap it to USDT, the next thing is to use your USDT to buy ETH. All right, so I'll click on and click on ETH. There's actually another method which I'm going to show you. Well, I think this is the best. Okay, so I'll click on ETH. All right, so I'm gonna click on buy. So if you don't have Mesh Global crypto exchange account, you're going to see the link in the description box. So make sure you click on the link and register. And after your registration, you do what? You download the Mesh Global application and log in. And make sure you verify your account. Right. So I'm gonna use the OUSDT now to buy ETH. And what next? What else? So the next thing is to click on ETH and click on withdraw. Okay, and click on on-chain withdraw. So then, before I proceed, the reason why it's necessary for you to get the MEXC Global crypto exchange account is simply because you have opportunity to uh, trade with cheaper uh, trading fee. All right, and beside that, okay, you have access to futures trading and other stuff like that. And also, we've started a challenge, $1 to $10,000 challenge. Okay, $1 to $10,000 challenge. Take note, from $1 we are taking $1 to $10,000, and we are doing that on the MEXC Global Exchange. All right, we are doing that on the MEXC Global Exchange. So you need MEXC Global Exchange to join. All right, the challenge, just $1 to $10,000. I know it's crazy. It sounds crazy, right? So, but you can do it. So the next thing is to click on network. Don't forget the network we need is OP, optimism. So the next thing is to click on all and always verify your wallet address, okay, before you proceed with withdrawal. So as you can see, this wallet address, yes, ends with 262C. 2C. All right. So I'm gonna click on confirm. Okay. So it's asking for facial recognition, but before that, I want you to take note of this. The minimum single withdrawal amount is 0.0003. Okay, which is not even up to $1. So you can withdraw less than $1 worth of optimistic ETH. Okay, and my single withdrawal is 1000 ETH. That's big money. Okay, and your 24 hours withdrawal limit is actually 200 BTC. Just imagine. So MEXC Global has a lot of advantage, and you can even trade futures. You have access to like 400x leverage. Like you can't find that on any other platform. 400x leverage. Okay, for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you have the mind though. So now I'm gonna click on confirm withdrawal, continue. So as you can see right here, withdrawal details, withdrawal request submitted. So it doesn't take time. All right, so next thing now is to go back to Trust Wallet. All right, then wait for my optimistic ETH to reflect. All right, so but before that, I need to get a referral link to register on the Ether Ocean platform. So I'm going to copy my referral link, which is right here. So I just copied my referral link, and boom, I'll go back to Trust Wallet, and I'll click on Discover. Then I'm going to click on Paste. Okay, then click on Go. It's loading. So as you can see, it says connect DApp. Ether wants to connect your wallet. So, and it's showing me Ethereum. So I will have to change this Ethereum to OP mainnet. Okay, so I'll click on OP mainnet and click on connect. Okay, wrong chain. You can ignore that. So it's loading. So as you can see, my wallet address is now shown, my wallet balance. So this simply shows that the ETH I withdrew from MEXC Global Exchange has arrived. So let me close this page and go to my Trust Wallet. So I'm going to refresh. So as you can see, the ETH is here. All right. The referral ID is correct. Okay. Make sure it's valid. All right. So the referral ID here is 33296. All right. So, but the thing here is that once you create an account, you only need to register 2 people. All right. So once you register that 2 people, you don't really need to register extra people or more people with your link. Just get the other 2 people, get their link. If you know that you have extra people that you want to register, get those 2 other people's link and use it for the next people that wants to register. So everyone just need 2 persons each, 2 people. Okay, so I'm going to click on register now. Okay, then I'll click on confirm. All right, so like this is the amount I'm actually spending, $1.65, which is currently less than $2 because Ethereum is around $1,600 plus. So if Ethereum gets to like about $3,000, okay, so this simply means that the price will be over $3. Right, like the price would be around $3 or so. So I'm going to click on confirm, and as you can see, registration successful. So I'm going to click on OK. Next thing is to click the Ether Ocean icon or text at the left top corner here. So once you click on it, it redirects you to your dashboard. All right, so you see your user ID, your wallet address, the date you joined. So today's date, 21st April 2025, 5:13 a.m. So you're going to see your data income, your front line, direct referrals, your sponsored. So I'm sponsored by 33296. Your direct referrals, your matrix team, your upgrades, your sponsor, blah blah blah. Okay, so the only way to accumulate Ethereum through this platform is through invitation, through referral. Okay, now let me show you another method. Okay, so let's say you have Binance Smart Chain, BNB, okay, or any other layer 1 or layer 2 coin on your Trust wallet or on your crypto exchange. You can transfer it to your Trust wallet. So you just click on, let's try BNB. So you click on the BNB Smart Chain, you click on swap. Let's say you have BNB now and you want to get optimistic ETH. So you click on swap BNB. Okay, then you are going to see to BNB Smart Chain. Click on that BNB Smart Chain here and search for OP. Click on OP Minute. All right, so you'll be able to swap your BNB Smart Chain to OP Minute. So let's say you want to use other network, so you can select, let's say you have base ETH. So let's say you have Litecoin. Let's say you have Polygon. Okay, let's say you have Arbitrum. Okay, if you have Arbitrum ETH, you can convert it to OP Mainnet. You understand? So you can swap your other layer 1 or layer 2 coins to OP ETH on Trust Wallet. All right, but the best answer, okay, the best is actually to use MEXC Global Exchange. All right, so you can see the withdrawal fee on MEXC Global is actually cheap, like it's not even up to 2 cents. Yeah, the withdrawal network fee was not up to 2 cents. Okay, so this is 0.000001. This, I mean, 0.40. Let's confirm. 1 2 3 4. Okay, like 1 cent plus. So that's just it, guys. I really hope you find this video helpful. So make sure you like, comment, and share. All right, so and for you to start inviting other people, you have to copy your referral link. Okay, so this is the referral link for this account. So you copy and you use it to register other people, minimum of 2 person. After that 2 person, you can collect those 2 persons referral link and use it for other people. So everyone just need two persons. Okay, so this is where you're going to see your earnings. All right, so make sure you take action right now. All right, so if you have any question or if you want to buy optimistic ETH, you don't want to scratch yourself, you don't want to go through MEXC Global or swapping or whatever, you can contact me. So you send cash while I help you get optimistic ETH and transfer it to your Trust wallet. So, but if you know you can do it, just go ahead, use MEXC Global Exchange and get your optimistic ETH. So thank you guys once again. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.